Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 23. This is Section 3.1, Problem 23. It says write 4 17/100ths as a decimal. So to write it as a decimal, first I'd like to see it as a fraction. So 4 17/100ths is 4 17 over 100. That's 4 17/100ths, written as a fraction, as a number. Now, to write it as a decimal, I will have the 4 in front, and there'll be a decimal point, and there'll be as many places after the decimal, as many digits after the decimal, as I have zeros in the denominator. Now, the numerator, the 17, has 2 digits, so if I make it 4.17, I've got the 17, and I have 2 places after the decimal because of the 2 zeros in the denominator. So the final answer is 4.17.